How did it feel as an egg?
Hello.
How did it feel?
You guys ready?
It was moist.
What? Oh, whoa! I didn't see that yet. I think not like this. Damn! Used to be more into dancing in the past, but whole life has kind of eaten up my time. But I'm happy that I can share my hobby. And are you showing each other the middle finger, girls? No. Peace, love, and harmony in this classroom. Otherwise, you'll have to do 10 push-ups. No middle fingers. How are you even doing that? I can't move my fingers.
I can't do it either.
No
There
middle
can only
finger.
be one.
How is she doing that? Can someone zoom in on Guda?
There can only be one.
Wow. This is an idol, everybody. You know, I like it because you're so small and you have that Yankee idol uniform, school uniform. I like how you're the one who shows us the middle finger. Cute pose.
Wait.
Oh, cute. Oh, God. My legs. Fuck my legs.
That's unfortunate.
Everything's cool. Probably. I think that was that was a really bad final version. Oh, there's a selfie camera. Let's take a selfie.
Yeah, if you want to hold it, you can hold it.
No, I think this is fun.
Wow.
Cute pose.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Guda, come in the middle, Guda. You look different,
Hi.
so come in the middle.
Oh yeah.
You're so small, though.
There we go.
Can we kind of how do I hold it?
I'm gonna squish your brain.
How do I hold it?
There's nothing in there to begin with.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Or what?
More angle it so that the little Guda will be seen. Yeah. Cute.
Oh, yay.
Oh, we have to crouch.
Guda, closer.
Like this?
Cute. Oh yeah, it's like we're putting out a rap album. Hunk.
Yeah.
Cute.
I'm a good shot.
Yay. Well,
Did you touch my butt?
Cute.
No, I touched your tail.
Oh, I felt touch my butt.
No.
Touch my butt.
It was an accident. My hand fell.
Nearly a butt toucher,
Hand fell.
Watson.
It happens.
But the snap.
Stop. She's poking me, Kiara.
It looks like me and Ame are from high school, and Guda is from junior high school. She's our junior.
Middle schooler.
Oh, she's doing the middle finger again.
No, I'm not. I would never do that. No, I wouldn't.
She's a freshman. She can be freshman.
Then I get free oranges at the grocery store. What if I just freestyle?
Yeah, sleep freestyle. Oh, big bong again.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, do the worm. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Watson. Go, Watson.
Whoa. Like a dreamy choo-choo.
Oh my gosh, she's breakdancing.
Whoa, I thought it was fake. She actually did it for real. Yo.
Smile away.
Bye-bye.
Smile away. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you for watching.
Where's my
Do cha-cha.
shit? Where's my mouse?
What's the chat? The what?
Where's
It's
my
like I go behind you.
Okay, I got it.
cha-cha.